étape number 2. So we have here aller plus infinitive of the action verb. What is the action verb? The action verb is the action that we do. So, example, dormir is an action verb, to sleep. So, how to conjugate the future proche of dormir? So, subject plus the conjugation of aller in present tense plus the action verb that we have here is dormir. So, we have je vais dormir. I am going to sleep. Tu vas dormir. You are going to sleep. Il, elle, on va dormir. He, she is going to sleep. Nous allons dormir. We are going to sleep. Vous allez dormir. We are going to sleep. Ils, elles vont dormir. They are going to sleep. So it's very simple to use the future tense. Très bien. Exemple d'utilisation du futur proche. Tu vas faire la fête. You are going to party. Demain, il va faire chaud. Tomorrow it's going to be hot. Don't forget, we don't have the equivalent of it in French, so here we have il. Nous allons aller au parc. We are going to go to the park. Je vais parler bientôt le français. I'm going to speak French soon. Je vais acheter un ordinateur demain. I'm going to buy a computer tomorrow. Attention, attention. In the close future, English adds the word is are, but French do not. D'accord? So, be careful of that. D'accord? Alors, now it's your turn. Exercice d'application. Mettre les verbes au futur proche, puis traduisez. So, put the verb in close future, then translate for vocabulary. You have exactly the same for the exercise number 2. Okay, so here you have to put the auxiliary avoir or être in the present tense. Très bien. So it's a refreshment for the lesson that we had in the auxiliary. I hope that you didn't forget. Très bien. The solutions are here. So before you check them, be sure that you do pause. You do first the homework, then you can check the solution, but I'm sure that you will have 100% of good solution. Congratulations, félicitations, bravo. Maintenant, tu sais comment utiliser le futur proche. N'oublie pas. Don't forget, the more you practice, the more you will understand how it works. See you next lesson.